Biology role model Carolyn Bertozzi. Carolyn Bertozzi is an American chemist born in Boston, Massachusetts. Her interest for science developed at a young age. Due to her exposure to scientists, her father was a nuclear physicist at MIT, and her mother was a secretary in the MIT physics department. She attended Harvard University, originally planning on pursuing the pre-med route with a biology degree, but later realized that she had a fondness for chemistry after she attended her organic chemistry class during her second year. Bertozzi ended up graduating with a degree in chemistry, and she continued her academic career at UC Berkeley, where she obtained her PhD. However, this did not come easy as Bertozzi struggled with securing research opportunities. She thought it was the end until one day she was offered a position for a PChem research lab over the summer. Her interests and hobbies included playing soccer in high school. She was actually admitted to Harvard with an athletic scholarship. However, she decided to quit sports and devote herself to academics due to the time consumption. In college, she fell in love with music and would spend her weekend playing with the campus band called Board of Education. Carolyn Bertozzi is an inspiration for me. She was first in her class, and she did not give up on her goals and dreams of becoming a researcher, even though there was some difficulty to get there. She's also interested in biochemistry, and to me, that's also a field that I'm also interested in. She originally began her career as a biology major, but then was interested in chemistry after taking an organic chemistry course her sophomore year. That's what led her to decide to pursue a chemistry degree while still taking biology courses. Bertozzi is known for her application of chemical synthesis to study biological systems. She coined the term bioorthogonal chemistry to describe the use of click reactions to study living cells. A recent primary literature review that Carolyn Bertozzi was an author on is her research on glycans in cancer and inflammation. This article discussed how glycans undergo changes in structure with the onset of diseases such as cancer and inflammation. This article highlights some examples of disease-associated glycans and the possibility of exploiting these glycans for therapeutic or diagnostic strategies. This experiment tested several glycan-based vaccines, and Figure 2 shows that upon stimulation with carbohydrate-based anti-cancer vaccines, the immune system can be stimulated to recognize cells presenting cancer glycans. Carolyn Bertozzi is a highly achievable individual. She has developed chemical tools to study the glycobiology underlying diseases such as cancer, inflammation, tuberculosis, and most recently, COVID-19. She is the inventor of bioorthogonal chemistry, a class of chemical reactions compatible with living systems that enable molecular imaging and drug targeting. Specifically, her research profiles changes in cell surface, glycosylation associated with cancer, inflammation, and bacterial infection. Carolyn Bertozzi has made outstanding accomplishments as a woman in STEM. She won the 2022 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her development of bioorthogonal reactions. Overall, she's an inspirational role model for everyone in STEM.